Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
And Sam Eba from the Anglon State, after the burial of J.J. Rawlings, you no ewo en crime, Yemani State burial. Na from the Anglon State, in Sam Eba, a year ne mother, a year town, and ne root, because he himself has been on TV several times. I can say that is his roots. Say Anglon State no eho and actually say we free eho na we free intino no there. He will try to associate himself with that. In some every however, now they've sent a strong warning to the states. Nini name no me the better mo nim. You see, matters be say I see myself as being one of the best people who can speak on matters like this. And let me explain. I've said it before. I myself personally, I am an Anglon. Me ye will be a will free Anglon. Besanso you be a washa mi school come enemy nyamano. Me kotena ye Kumasi. Ena me misia Santiama America kra. Intino me council Kumasi and Ashanti region so ye baby ye can baby me pe and me dopa Ashanti region one of those places. Intino akwa say I am now seeing myself as the bridge between these two matters, because in some wakoso we share social media nkofu bebre na abuefu because they feel say Rawlings ne ye na ekoso no. Some people, some ewe groups bia me wom no. I'll tell you, I'll not lie to you. Our groups be me woman because they feel say the funeral was hijacked by accounts. To the extent say some people are even saying say I before said mobile warrior, moon worry I before pay. And I don't agree with those comments. But I just want you guys to know say some people are not happy with what went on. Now, the Anglon states a year a handful. Now these matters are purely cultural matters, tradition. We are tradition. Those who believe in tradition, better in somewhere banase. But I will say me mu etremo. If you go to Anglon, minim say ebia other places no so nkofu bebrina eye. But I can speak for the only place I come from, which is Anglon. Okwa Anglon na yesi ohene a se uwu a nkrofo na esi ohene no ansa na yebesi ohene no there are rituals bia ye de wo fe mu eno no ye ka ne twi mu a mi hu ka ba wo de meka ne se nyankomade sa na meka no na nkrofo ati ase ansa na yebesi obi hene ewo eye Anglon State ana aigbememu no ye ka Anglon anya aigbememu alone is part but wo de ye nka na Anglon State no bi anti ase ansa na yebesi obi hene wo ho no ye wanyankoma de bia ye etu nipa ne so na kire say ye hu ne say yes nipa we wo ye hene oka the Anglon traditional rulers ne hu bi now se nipa ko no ewu a wo mo ye nyankoma de no e wo se wo mu nya nipa kro ne body na wo mo esanso ye nyankoma de biom so that nipakuni position nipakuna wewu no sa ahenie position ye betumi dia ma obi foforo na se yankoma de ne yentumi anya one yentumi nfa obi foforo nsi so as hene yankoma de ne nso ne kosie nipakro na e de no me uni se sa tradition ni we na ya na wanya bibi no me wanya bibi ne etumi de no me eyeden eba. So the Anglon states are out and they are angry and they are speaking on this particular matter. When we say adena esino ebetumi eden sensen bi aba na bibia ebesi bia no Ghana for e wo say ye de sobo ebo aban. This is what they are saying. Die ntia ene emfa sobo embo aban because when we say wo ma aban ti ase say nipa ko no yes for your statesman or ye bibia but saa nyankoma de na ye to ne so embra ye ma ne bedane ohene ewo Anglon State no ewo se ye nya ne body na nyankoma de no ye sanso ye na efiri ho na mo ama yan ye e na mo akwa sie no inti no bibia besi bia no ye blame aban asem no ne tintini ne tietie mu eno na eda ho. As to whether you believe or not, it is your own issue. I am not coming to argue with you. Ubeji atumo unji ntumo wasem. But omo de womo aka womo de. So the secretary of the funeral planning committee of the Angulo traditional area, they have the traditional area, no, they have positions. You will be about a year or no shano, eba say ye say ya or no shano inti secretary of omo funeral planning committee no. Your friend no agboda eh min ko bo ni emeka say oya igbeni sun to me boye din no. But Mr. Monfanchebe asemo Everybody Yesu Christo. Mr. Monfanchebe. But the secretary of the funeral planning committee no agbotadua kumasa mesremo me Angulo but me tema Angulo yanwo me wo ho. The traditions and everything over there, I don't know anything. In being be back na me to me ambo, I mean say those who are listening to me who are from Angulo, they will not be happy. Say ebia omo ahemfo ni bidin no mambo ni ye. Inti na mede apology we to ho no. Mesremo, I don't know the traditions there, even though minchi efri ho, but I don't know the traditions there. I've not been there, I don't stay there. I've not been there, I don't go there. Me temani now so mechi efri ho. Inti no mesrema mbodi ni ya momfa encheme. Now, ono ena wakasa. Was say we should blame the state. Now, let me read some of the things he said. Now, kwa yese melodies na meka sa sebe impinifoi omwano inti togbi kumasa ono na wode explanation we ebae. Now, in 2016, J.J. Rawlings was installed as Nuti Fafafia. And then the maboni ye Nuti Fafafia. Ye kase Nuti Fafafia. Not say peace chief. Peace chief. He was installed as Nuti Fafafia. And he underwent some rituals. I don't even say traditional phone and tradition phone there. When komade and especially a young crofo can say I before the eba when komade no munyama wo mumfe ndiagro. So J.J. Rawlings underwent this yankomade as Nuti Fafafia. Ono agitumu eyeye. Was say if funerals are not observed, it is very difficult to put another person on the stool because the installation rite of a chief involves swearing of an oath, and that oath must be taken back when the person passes on. And that would have been done for the late president so that someone can be installed as his stead. It's here for intino. You see, your chance so. I say now that that rite was not performed, it will be impossible to install another person to succeed him. And if that oath is not retrieved, the repercussions will be on the state. As someone or more air cannon. So clearly you can see. I say a yomoya, in fact. Say a year no in some air cost so or more your margin and abayan for moon share the planning of a year no home now so abayan fiomo a yomo yapa because they felt ana womo na woman him say adiana air kono yansheni ya in so be ba endimboa. So that is what they are putting out now. I have said this. If you want to believe this, you believe it. If you don't believe this too, you will not believe it. Hey, if and also yeah, and yeah, and I know say a lot of people will say oh they will not believe this. A lot of people also say they believe it because it's tradition. I'll not take a stand. But me am hey me a Christian and there they be American. But me Christo ye muno. I respect those who are doing their traditions too. As far as Adiana Womo ye no serving prayer, it has no negative effect on humanity. I respect. But say nyama na omo ye no ekoyese nipa kumbi be manase ibe mu eno na ya I don't side with them. but me nso me believe say bibi da e wo say wo de to no e ho e na wo say ye den e da mo ntre mo adwon comment box ni mo me da ase